Hello, welcome everybody. Welcome to my channel, Airplane Jane here. If you have not already subscribed, please do so and turn on the notifications so you can get cool videos like this when they pop up. So this is going to be a bit more of a beginner's video for people that are just trying to break into trading a stock. I know there's a lot of people out there that they're like, yes, this sounds great. I hear about people making money in the stock market all the time. Maybe you work in an office like this, maybe you got laid off, you just want to go ahead and kiss that 9 to 5 goodbye or make extra money. Well, let's get into some of the little bits of the basics. So I'm going to be very basic. I'm going to do these videos so that you guys have just a couple 1 to 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute videos so you guys can really learn super simply how all this works. Okay, so let's start off with a stock. A stock is something that a company is going to issue in trying to raise money for that company. So, if one of your friends went out and they decide to open up their own business, they are the CEO, the CFO, the CTO, the COO. They do everything, right? So they, in essence, would own 100% of the shares. But maybe their brother came in and said, hey, I want to get into your business. And then that person said, all right, no problem. Here, I'll sell you 50% of my business for $10,000. So then you know that the valuation of the company is at roughly $20,000, right? Because the initial owner has 50% and then the new brother owner has 50%. Well, then maybe they get really big and they decide, hey, we want to go ahead and we want to raise $1 million. But we're going to issue out some new shares to the public. That would be the initial public offering. They would then go and usually talk to a brokerage house. They would have to show them all the financial information, everything like that. And that is how those shares go from just being a private company to a public company. And those are the shares that get traded on the exchange day to day with different prices and different price valuation for people to make money. Now, how can you make money with trading stocks? You can do it one of two ways, right? You can buy low and you can sell high, or you can sell high and buy low. Stay tuned for my next video and I will talk about going long and going short. It takes a little bit more time to go ahead and explain those concepts. Going long is pretty easy, but going short sometimes takes a little bit of time. So if you guys have any questions, anything that you would like to see me cover, explain in more detail, please shoot them in the comments below or shoot me an email at jane@cjanetrade.com. And if you guys want to come and learn with me in the training pit, go ahead and click the link above or shoot me a message at jane@thedarkpools.com. Have a great week ahead. Hard pay profits, seize those profits. Trading time.